Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Force Videos too. So be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, why can I make my own baking powder as well? Yes, you can. But you would need to purchase some type of acid. So you would probably need to get, well not probably, but you would need to get cream of tartar. So if you want to make your own baking powder at home, you can use a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to a 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar and a 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch, and that will be equivalent to 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So guys, I hope you found this video to be helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share with family and friends. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.